Hello everyone. We know how to take the decisions. Sometimes if the decisions are not taken properly, definitely we repent on that. We feel very bad. I could have taken decision in another way. In that way we feel. And sometimes we can rectify, and sometimes the wrong decisions will make a place of irrecoverable loss in our life. The decisions may be in our professional life, education life, and relations, job wise, everywhere, and the relations between husband and wife, and son and mother, son and father, siblings, everywhere. When you take wrong decisions, it's going to make a lot of impact. But how to take the decisions? How we have to? So related to this, I would like to share with you one wonderful and mesmerizing story of Gautam Buddha. We know Gautam Buddha preaches very nice and wonderful, and you'll find some kind of inspiration and motivating words. You'll find it's related to the real life experience. Now let's enter into the story. You know that Gautam Buddha used to give preaches in many places. As a part of giving preaches, he was traveling from one village to another village with his disciples. And on the way, he was feeling very thirsty, and he asked one of his disciples to get some water. Go and get me some water. Then the disciple was searching for the water. He found a small canal, very small, and he wanted to take the water, but at the same time, a bullock cart passed from the canal. When bullock cart passed, you know that the water has become muddy. It's not possible to drink the water. We can't drink it. It has become so dirty and muddy. And he came back to the Guruji, and he said that Guruji, just now I went to bring the water, but the water has become muddy because a bullock cart has passed from that way. Then Gautam Buddha said, don't worry, there is a very big tree near to this place. We all will settle down for some time, we'll take a rest, then after that we'll travel. They settled very well, around half an hour under a very big tree. Then after half an hour, Gautam Buddha said to the same disciple, now go and get me water. Then the disciple went, and he has seen in the canal a transparent and very neat and no muddy and nice water. He found it. Then immediately he took some water for the Guruji, and also he invited all the disciples to drink the water. Everyone drank the water. They quenched the thirst, feeling very happy. Now listen carefully. The story starts here only. Incident over. With every incident, Gautam Buddha used to give valuable preachers, golden words. Now what Gautam Buddha said is here, you know that in the beginning the water was very muddy. We couldn't drink. Now it is potable water, fresh water. We all had water and no thirst at all. Now from this we can learn a small message, that is, mind will be always sometimes disturbed. When mind is disturbed, don't take any decisions. Disturbed mind will take always wrong decisions. So what you have to do is calm down this mind. Let the mind to become calm down, and let the mind to relax. Let it come to normal position. Then take the decisions. And that decisions will be always correct. And no decisions with restless mind. When you take any decisions with restless mind, definitely it will be wrong decisions only. When you take rest, when you are feeling cool, then whatever decisions you take, mind is fresh, you'll think twice or thrice, that decisions will be wise and correct decisions. So this is the message he has given. And always remember, calm mind always reduces the chance of wrong decisions, wrong things. It will not allow you to take any wrong decisions. This is very much important. And if you observe, you are in tense, somebody said something and your mind is agitated and you are feeling very bad, what you have to do is don't speak anything at that situation. When your mind is agitated, don't speak anything, don't take any decisions, don't do anything, just come back to your home, sleep overnight, or at least 1 hour, 3 hours, 2 hours, but you have to sleep, you have to give rest to your mind. Then after that you take the decision, after that you think about the same problem, after that speak. That is different. Please observe this in your life. Then you'll find a good decisions. You'll take good decisions, no doubt at all. In the same way, I'll give you an example. If you see any court cases, of course directly we are not seeing, in movies you might have seen, whenever any case is there for in the court, then the judge will never take decision in first meeting only. At least 2 to 3 minimum postponement will be there. Always judge will be saying the court is adjourned for 3 days, 5 days, something like that. Why adjourned? Why it is postponed? One time decisions will be always wrong. They'll take their own time to study about the case, to get the witnesses, study, lastly they take the decisions. They believe that when we take some time to study, when we take with a smart and a wise mind, calm mind, the decisions would be always correct. With this intention, the court always adjourns the case. So right now, what you have to remember is always take decisions with calm mind, no agitations, no tensions. With that mind only you take the decisions, right? So hope the talk is useful. You have spent so much of time. Thank you everyone. But the small principle apply in your life. Then only you'll find some advantage by following our lectures. So please stay connected. I'll meet you with another good important story related to any inspirational talks. Till that period, what do? Keep smiling, keep shining always. Good luck.